Hi, my name is ELan, and my name in Chinese means orchid. I have a garden of orchids in my room. This orchid's name is Sammy. This one is Snow White. These two are Honey. And this one is Rosie, and this one's Sally. Wow, you are so beautiful, you guys. Hi, I'm a nice, cute flower, and I love to be drinking a lot of water. That's my favorite. But ELan, just like the others, can I please be in your drawing too? Oh, pretty, please. I want to be in your drawing. I think it would be really nice to be in one. Please, oh please. Thank you, ELan. You're the best. Woohoo! Hi, I'm Rosie, and I love to be kind to other people. Oh, but ELan, can you please draw me? I'd be really happy. Please. Thank you, ELan. You're the best friend ever. Woohoo! Hi, my name is Sammy, and my favorite hobby is gaming. Woohoo! But ELan, can I please be in your video and art? Please. Thank you. You're the best friend ever. Woohoo! Hi, I'm Sally, and thank you for making me so beautiful because I actually am a little beautiful. Yay! Oh, ELan, please make me beautiful on the painting. Thank you, ELan. You're the best. Mwah! All of you are beautiful. Oh, it's okay. No need to thank me. Oh, you've grown a lot. I am going to draw you. Doesn't that sound good? Okay. Let's do it. Let's go draw them. La 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 I really like orchids. There are many different kinds of pretty colors. Before I painted the orchids, I painted a dark blue background on the canvas. You can also choose a color for the background on your canvas. When I paint the flowers, some of the petals will be thick or thin, and the background color will be the shadow so it looks real. Do you like orchids? Do you know how to take care of these beautiful orchids? Orchids like water, but their roots don't like to be in water for a long time. They also like air. You can try my way. I put the roots in the water for 2 days and let them dry one night. Sometimes when you buy orchids at a market or store, they put the root in a very small plastic cup. The root can't breathe in the small, narrow cup. So let's rescue them so they can breathe. And you can look at the beautiful flowers for a long time.
Thank you for rescuing us. Thank you.
Do you think I'm the most beautiful flower model? Whoa! You're not the only beautiful flower. Oh, why? We are all the beautiful flowers, honey. Yay! Yay! I am so happy to draw some beautiful orchids. And there are some flowers ready to bloom. It is so floweristic. I like to draw and paint. This makes me happy. Do you? You can draw anything that makes you happy in your life. I like to draw a lot of different details for the stamen and the pistil eye. Hi, I'm done! Yay! Do you like it? Bye! Come back for more art. Don't forget to subscribe and like me. Bye! Say bye! Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and like us.
Bye.
Bye! Woohoo! Woohoo!